Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a crafty hack to share with you. It's how to make these fun little clips that I've been sharing in quite a few of my projects recently. And if, like me, you've used gorgeous papers, these are from the Halloween in Wonderland collection by Graphic 45, to decorate your projects, you don't always want to stick a photograph over the top. You want to be able to see the beautiful images that you've carefully calculated and worked out where to place. So by using these fun little clips, you can add your pictures, take them away, which means you can change the pictures in your projects too, and always be able to see those beautiful papers. So I've had lots and lots of asks about how to make them, and they are really, really simple. There's quite a few in this little album, I think. Oh yeah, there's one here. So you can coordinate them to match your projects. Have we got some here? Oh yes, we've got one here with the rabbit and one up here waiting for something to be added. So let me take you through how to make them. So you want to have longer paper clips. I did try with these short paper clips, but they really weren't strong enough to hold anything. So you want 50mm or 5cm long paper clips, giant paper clips in your choice of colour. I've gone for black. You want some small punches or dies. That's a little arrow die, it's a circle die with a little heart in between. I use these two punches, the 1/2 inch circle and the 3/8 circle from Stampin' Up. And then you also need tacky glue and glossy accents if you want to add a bit of shine to them afterwards. And I did try this with hot glue. The hot glue became really brittle and the clip just fell apart. So I find the tacky glue, the PVA tacky glue, really works well, and it's quite flexible, which really helps when you're clipping the paper clip on and off rather than being brittle like the hot glue. And all you do is take your tacky glue and put lots onto your chosen shape. So for each clip you want 2 of the larger shapes that you're going to stick back to back. You put a lot of glue on one shape, pop the paper clip down over it, and then put a lot of glue over the top. And this is going to sort of completely seal the paper clip between the front and back element. And then you press the two together, keeping them over each other. You don't need to press them very hard, they just need to be set in the glue. If you've got any glue oozing out, just smooth it off with a paintbrush or your fingers. And then you want to put a decorative element in the middle. So I just put a little bit of glue on there and then pop my smaller circle over the top, and then do the same on the other side. And then bring in your glossy accents, and you want to put a big raised amount all the way around to the edge so that it curves in the middle, and then leave it to dry. And when it's dry, you've got these fabulous little clips. I've only decorated one side of this so far, so you have to put glossy accents on one side, leave it to dry completely, and then turn over and do the other side. And then you can start adding your pictures with your clips in your projects and swapping them about. So that's it. A quick and easy hack with 50mm paper clips, 5cm long paper clips, punches or dies of your choice, decorative paper, and a little bit of card. Thanks very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects and tips and techniques as they come out.